you allergic to bleach or alcohol? Are you afraid of creating mustard gas? Or you just don't like toxic chemicals in your home? I found the perfect cleaning product for you. This Red Hut handheld steam cleaner. It's on a flash sale days with free shipping, and it's only $41.99. As y'all know, I lost everything in the house fire, so I lost both of my recalled steam cleaners for burning people. Anyways, it comes with so many different attachments. You will literally never need anything else to clean except for towels. It comes with this little funnel so that you can pour the water into it. My favorite thing about steam cleaners is the fact that you only have to clean with water. Reaches up to 212 degrees, kills all germs with nothing but water. I've been amazed at steam cleaners ever since the moment that I found them. Anyways, we filled it up. Yes, that was my cat in the box. Here are some of the attachments that it comes with that you might be interested in. Scrubbers, things for the windows, air brushes, and here I am dealing with a little stain on the floor. Currently staying in an Airbnb right now because I am homeless and I'm finally alone. This is a before and after of the wall after I steam cleaned it and dried it. Right here I was working on the baseboards. I didn't do too well with the before and after, so I'm sorry about that. Now, here's the kitchen. It's not that bad, but I did decide I was going to use a different attachment because this one was not working out for me. Anyways, I just took off the whole thing and started going at it. I'm so excited to have a steam cleaner again. There is a before and after of what it looked like. This is so perfect for germaphobes. I suffer with emetophobia, and I don't like touching surfaces that are commonly touched. So if I get to disinfect it with simply water, it makes me feel so much safer. It is so worth it. I promise you this is so worth it. I've owned 2 steam cleaners in my life. This one has got to be my favorite. You know how I feel about the toilets, and you know we gotta steam clean that. Stay tuned for this. This is currently the room that I'm staying in. I am alone. I am at peace. It does get lonely, and I do get a little bit sad. Getting over a little bit of a heartbreak right now. Check my link tree, and you can donate to my PayPal and my Venmo. That's if you wanted to. Just to keep me housed at the moment. I can have a couple more nights here. Other than that, I really think you should buy this steam cleaner. The steam cleaner is absolutely amazing. I am so lucky to have it. Other than that, this product is linked in this video. Buy it while you can. I find it absolutely amazing. It sterilizes and disinfects without any harmful chemicals whatsoever. Make sure you only put water in here. It's wonderful for cleaning cat bowls and dog bowls. They shouldn't have soap in their bowls. You don't want to leave any soap residue in their bowls. You don't want to make your animals sick. And it's wonderful at getting off hard stains. Thank you so much for watching.